Whenever we think of the future, we think of children. When we think of children, we think of their education. From an early age, we help them develop their motor skills, understand their surroundings, and we help them build the world around them. We guide and we celebrate their achievements. And together, we watch them as they grow up. They continue to discover the world around them as we introduce them to cities, mountains, forests, animals, and rivers. Nature is all among us. We venture into the stars, where we teach them, just as Copernicus would, that the world rotates around the sun. We are Polish after all. Together, we discover the universe and unveil its secrets. From space, we delve into the world of machines, where we teach them about technology. Engines, motors, sensors? How does any of this work? Rest assured, with customizable and programmable robots, we help them overcome various obstacles and discover both the wonders of technology and those of the Red Planet. A dedicated app that allows for both programming and remote control. We may have been a little quick to the stars, but we also teach the fundamentals. From balanced forces to accelerating combustion engines, we've got it all. With a library of over 60,000 models, they'll have plenty to be inspired from. By introducing them to 3D printing, we empower their beliefs, and we showcase that their only limit is the scope of their very own imagination. From the molecular structure of oxygen, to even the tiniest of atoms, to those freely roaming electrons, and the boiling point of water. The world of chemistry holds many wonders, and now they can touch them, they can feel them, and they can experience them. We solve the complex puzzle that is our DNA. We have a closer look at the structure and the elements of the brain, and we see how they all fit together. And finally, we take a look at how sound travels. But this isn't the future. Pause. Rewind. Skyware. Education today.